Hi my dear children, how are you all? Are you fine? Okay, welcome back to our Hindi class. Okay children, what about your notes? Have you completed the notes of Gandhiji Ke Bandar? I hope everyone completed the notes. So today we can start the textbook activities. For that all of you take your textbook. Page number 29. The first question as usual, दिए गए शब्दों का उच्चारण करो. Pronounce the following words. First I will read the words. You have to repeat after me. Okay, are you ready to repeat after me? Okay, very good children. First question, first word, Rashtrapita. Read, Rashtrapita. Satya, Ahimsa, व्यक्ति, मिट्टी, आश्चर्य. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सही विकल्प पर सही का चिन्ह लगाओ. टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. हियर वी हैव थ्री ऑप्शंस. फॉर ईच क्वेश्चन इज हैविंग थ्री ऑप्शंस. वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, गांधी जी ने हमें किसका पाठ पढ़ाया? ही टॉट मेनी लेसन्स. इन दिस लेसन वी ऑलरेडी लर्न many lessons. He taught many things. So here we have three options. From this options, which one he taught for us? Okay, गांधी जी ने हमें किसका पाठ पढ़ाया? हिंसा का, violence. घृणा का, hate. अहिंसा का, non-violence. Which one he taught for us? Yes, ahimsa ka. So the last option is the correct one. You have to put the tick mark on last option. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, गांधी जी किस बात की शिक्षा देते थे? व्हाट डिड गांधी जी टीच? हियर आल्सो इन द सेम वे, भेदभाव. भेदभाव मतलब पैशुअलिटी. अधर्म की, समानता की, या समानता मीन्स इक्वालिटी. इन फ्रंट ऑफ हिम all are equal. There is no any partiality. So last option is the correct answer. Samanata ki. Put the tick mark on that last option. Next, here the third question is not correct. So we have to correct the question. Here it is पहला. पहला बंदर कहाँ हाथ रखे हुए थे? We can see from this picture the पहला बंदर, first monkey is keeping his hands on his eyes. That means आंखें. But here is not that option. Here is the options are मुँह पर, मुँह मतलब माउथ, नाक पर, नाक मतलब नोज, पूंज पर, पूंज मतलब टेल. So that answer is not coming here. So we have to correct the question like this. Pahla, you have to cut pahla. That pahla you have to cut and write the तीसरा. Okay, तीसरा बंदर. तीसरा बंदर मतलब थर्ड मंकी. तीसरा बंदर कहाँ हाथ रखे हुए थे? तीसरा बंदर, yes, mouth पर. So मुँह पर. First one is the correct answer. Okay, put the tick mark on first option, मुँह पर. Then all of you, next is question answer. We already completed that. So next page number 30. सही शब्द चुनकर खाली स्थान भरो. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct words. गांधी जी सदा डैश बोलते थे. ऑलवेज ही वॉज टेलिंग व्हाट? सत्य और असत्य. सत्य मतलब ट्रूथ, असत्य मतलब लाई. विच वन? यस, वी ऑलरेडी नो दैट इज सत्य. गांधी जी सदा सत्य बोलते थे. देन कभी डैश नहीं करना चाहिए. कभी कभी डैश नहीं करना चाहिए. We will not do that thing. Never we will not. Never we will not do that thing. Which one? Options are झगड़ा और प्यार. झगड़ा मतलब fight, प्यार मतलब love. What we have to नहीं करना चाहिए? कभी. We will not do that thing. Which one? कभी झगड़ा नहीं करना चाहिए. झगड़ा मतलब fight. So first one is the correct answer. Write it there. Next one, गांधी जी के पास चीनी मिट्टी के डैश बंदर थे. How many monkeys are there? Yes, 3 बंदर थे. So last second one is the correct answer. Next question number 5. सही वाक्य पर टिक और गलत वाक्य पर क्रॉस का निशान लगाओ. So true or false question. First question, गांधी जी को हम चाचा भी बोलते हैं. Is it correct? No. To whom we are calling चाचा? Yeah, Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru ji को हम चाचा भी बोलते हैं. Here we are calling Gandhi ji Babuji. So that statement is not correct. We have to put cross mark. Next, गांधी जी सदा झूठ बोलते थे. झूठ मतलब lie. He was always telling lies. Is it correct? No, never. He will always speak truth. We already studied that. So that also false. Put the cross mark. Then Gandhi ji ahimsavadi the. Yeah, that is correct. He will always follow that ahimsa. That means non-violence. So that is correct. Put the tick mark. Next, गांधी जी भेदभाव नहीं मानते थे. That also correct. भेदभाव मतलब partiality. He will never following that one. Which one? Partiality. Always in front of him all are equal. So that statement is correct. गांधी जी भेदभाव नहीं मानते थे. Partiality. He did not doing that thing. So next one, that is homework for you. Question number 6. नीचे लिखे शब्दों को सही क्रम में लिखकर वाक्य बनाओ. Put the words in the correct order and make sentence. Here some words are there, but it is not in order. You have to make it order. Okay, and you have to make that order correctly and make a sentence. Here, Sada, Bolte, De, Satya, Gandhiji. First one I will give, and next onwards you have to do by yourself. Okay. First one. सदा बोलते थे सत्य गांधी जी. So correct sentence is गांधी जी सदा सत्य बोलते थे. He was always telling truth. बोलते थे. So this is the question number 6. The balance questions you have to do yourself. That is homework. Question number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 questions are there. You have to do by yourself. Okay. Then all of you take page number 31. समानार्थी शब्दों को मिलाओ. Match the following. That means synonyms. This is synonyms. These two words are same in meaning. We have to find out the correct word. Adar matlab respect. The same meaning words. One more word is there. That is samman. Samman and adar is same in meaning. That is respect. So next is satya. Satya matlab truth. So one more word is there. With that truth. With that meaning truth. Which word it is? Such. Satya, such. Okay. So you have to draw a line. Satya to such. Next, Sadaiv. Sadaiv matlab always. So one more word is there. Hamesha. Hamesha and Sadaiv is same meaning. That is always. So you have to put you have to draw a line. Where to where? Sadaiv to Hamesha. Okay. Next is Sanket. Sanket matlab indication. Sanket, Ishara. Sanket, Ishara. The two words are same in meaning. So you have to draw a line. Sanket to Ishara. Next is Saman. Saman matlab I already told equal. So Saman and one more word is there with the same meaning. That is Barabar. So Saman, Barabar. You have to draw a line. Saman to Barabar. Okay. So next section is Sarvanam. Sarvanam. Do you know what is the meaning of Sarvanam? Sagya we already studied. What is Sagya? We already studied that. What it is? Naming words. Nouns or naming words. Okay. किसी वस्तु, व्यक्ति, स्थान आदि को सूचित कराने वाले शब्दों को हम संज्ञा कहते हैं. Okay. That means naming words. So here we are going to study Sarvanam. What is the English word of Sarvanam? Do you know? Sarvanam matlab pronoun. pronoun. Okay, I will give one example. From that you can understand. First one, Ramu बहुत अच्छा लड़का है. रामू बहुत अच्छा लड़का है. रामू बहुत अच्छा लड़का है. Ramu is a good boy. And रामू बहुत चतुर लड़का है. चतुर मतलब क्लेवर. चतुर लड़का है. रामू इज ए वेरी क्लेवर बॉय. ओके, रामू बहुत अच्छा लड़का है. रामू बहुत चतुर लड़का है. देन वन मोर सेंटेंस. रामू बहुत सुंदर लड़का है. बहुत सुंदर लड़का है. सुंदर मतलब ब्यूटीफुल. सुंदर लड़का है. ओके, सो रामू बहुत अच्छा लड़का है. रामू बहुत चतुर लड़का है. रामू बहुत सुंदर लड़का है. So here what is repeating? What Ramu is repeating here, isn't it? This noun is repeating here. So instead of this Ramu, we can use another word here. These two sentences we can use another word. What? Instead of this Ramu, instead of this noun, we can use another word, that is Vah. 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 He. That means he. In English we will say he. So instead of this noun, we can use another word. For that words we are calling what? Sarvanam or pronoun. Instead of noun we are using another words. For that we are calling what? Pronoun. We use some words in the place of what? Naming words. That is pronoun. Yeah, sarvanam. Okay, so here I will explain another some what sarvanam words. That is main. In Hindi it is, sorry, in English it is I. Then मैं, तुम, that is you, हम, in English we will say we. So you already know the English pronouns. So some Hindi pronoun also, sarvanam also we have to study. Okay, I hope everyone understood this thing. So instead of Sagya, instead of noun, we will use some other words. For that we are calling sarvanam. Okay, some examples are there. We can see question number 8 in the down. We can see some questions. And it is, वाक्यों में प्रयुक्त रंगीन शब्द पाठ में किसके लिए आए हैं? लिखो. For whom are the colored words in the given sentences used? Write according to the lesson. So here the first words are used with another color, red color. So we have to find out for whom or for what the colored words in the given sentence used. The first sentence, वे सबको एक समान समझते थे. Here that way, here it is way. That way is used another color, red color. So here this way is used in another color. So for what? For whom? For whom is the colored words in the given sentence used? For whom? वे सबको एक समान समझते थे. कौन सबको एक समान समझते थे? Yes, गांधी जी. So for here, गांधी जी के लिए हम वे use करते हैं. Isn't it? Instead of Gandhi ji, we use ve. So it is sarvanam. Instead of this noun, we use ve. Okay, so question is here ve. For whom we use here ve. So that answer is Gandhi ji. Okay, clear? So next question, ye. Ye ये मेरे गुरु है. Here it is, this a is used for which thing? ये मेरे गुरु है. That a is used for whom? Yes, that तीन बंदर. So here is the answer is तीन बंदर. So instead of this Agya, we are using some other words. For that we are calling Sarvanam. Yeah, pronoun. Next, यह संज्ञा देता है. यह. This is used for which thing? यह संज्ञा देता है बुरा मत देखो. यह संज्ञा देता है बुरा मत देखो. Which one? Which one? यह संज्ञा देता है बुरा मत देखो. So पहला बंदर. Here that he used instead of पहला बंदर. यह used there. Next, last question. यह संज्ञा देता है बुरा मत कहो. यह संज्ञा देता है बुरा मत कहो. There that he used for which बंदर? तीसरा, third मंगी. Instead of this third मंगी, here it is used यह.